In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Flow's Klaviyo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the navigation menu. Find and click Flows. This is where Klaviyo keeps all automated sequences, also called flows, which send messages based on customer actions or list activity. Once you are on the Flows page, go to the top right corner and click Create Flow. This is the starting point whenever you want to build a new automation. After you click it, Klaviyo will take you into the Flow library, where you can choose from pre-built templates. These templates save time because the structure is already laid out for you. Next, click a template from the Flow library. A common example is a welcome series, which is typically used to greet new subscribers and introduce your brand. When you select a template, a setup window or modal will appear. Here, you will need to select a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the flow, such as someone joining a list. Choosing the right trigger is important because it decides who enters the flow and when they enter. After you select the trigger, click Use Template. This will bring you into the Flow Builder, where you can see the flow canvas. The canvas is a visual map of the messages and timing. Take a moment to confirm you are in the builder and that the template loaded correctly. At this point, you are still following the template structure and you are preparing it to run. When you are ready to activate it, look to the top right of the canvas and click Review and Turn On. This is the final step before sending anything to real people, so move carefully and double check that you selected the correct trigger. A status dropdown will appear. Select Live. Setting a flow to live means it is active and will begin enrolling people who meet the trigger conditions. Finally, click Update Status again to confirm and save. This locks in the change and turns the flow on. And that is all there is to it.